James Charles is single-handedly keeping escape rooms in business. Any room with James is an escape room, especially if you're underage. He looks like the Ice Age baby grown up. Allah, your shadow look like a midget about to cast the spell. My daughters used to look up to Malia Obama, but not anymore. I won't let my kids look up to that ghetto drug addict mess. If your daughter inherits your neck, she won't be able to look up to shit. She looks like George Washington. My life a movie. 15 movies with no female characters whatsoever. He looks like the villain who ties people to railroad tracks.